Hey everyone, it's T. Welcome back to my channel. This week I'm dressing according to an aesthetic generator because why not? The link is in the description below, and let's just get into it. So the first outfit was edgy retro. Most of my retro stuff I've phased out of my wardrobe, but I did have this plaid wool A-line skirt similar to a 50s, 60s style. I decided to pair it with this beret for added retro and this satin bomber that reminds me of greasers, even though I think they wore leather jackets. Whatever. I put on some Doc Martens, and I kind of like this. It seems a bit too normal for me. I switched it up with a belt and my favorite denim jacket, and it was slightly more okay, but I was still nitpicky with it, as you can see by my face. The next outfit was Kishy Mom. I interpreted that as lots of colors, probably what your elementary school art teacher wore. So I paired these striped jeans with a thrifted purple polka dot button-up and also this yellow cardigan that kind of screams fun mom to me. This look is very normal, but I loved it and I had a lot of fun just like looking at myself in the mirror. For my second rendition, I wore this children's button-up hot dog shirt because I felt like, what's more mom-like than wearing your kids' clothes, right? I actually have no idea. But I wore some vintage mom jeans for a literal interpretation, this red beret, and pulled on a yellow cardigan once again. This aesthetic is how I like to dress anyway, so I had fun. I forgot to take a screenshot, but the next one I got was soft jock. I was thinking pastels and crop tops, similar to that one photo of Johnny Depp in the 80s, so I wore this outfit that I actually wear a lot normally. I put my hair up because I felt like that was a sporty thing to do, but I wanted to switch it up. So next I tried this pink and blue sweatshirt with some dolphin shorts and pink thigh highs, and I felt like I was kind of getting there, but I wanted to try less pastels, so I grabbed this muscle tee that I DIY'd, these 70s inspired shorts, and some purple knee socks. I used to have more sporty clothes, but now I guess I'm just soft and not really a jock anymore. Next thing I got was business hipster, and I realized that's just the outfits that I wear to work, so it wasn't that hard to do. Here I'm wearing a corduroy dress that I cut short, and this wool sweater that I love. It makes this dress look a million times better. Some knee socks and some oxfords to tie it together for the hipster look, and you have what I would wear to work, literally. To add more hipster, I wore my actual glasses that have a prescription in them, but I felt like I needed some flannel. So I wore this other outfit that's basically my work uniform. And then I got depressed thinking about the last time I went into my office and had to change immediately. The next thing I got was Moricore, which I found funny because Morique is already a thing. And when I was younger, I dressed in more of that style, but keeping it in line with the generator, I thought this could be more of a cross between Morique and cottagecore. So I wore this lace vest thing, this lacy skirt, and some beige tights to keep it to the color scheme. And then this extremely heavy sweater that I thrifted. Since Mori is about layering, I think I would have liked another skirt or pants situation to tie this all together, but I think I did well with what I had in the moment. Next was Fashion Farmer, which I actually struggled with a bit in the fashion department. I wore these Pooh overalls because farmer, these heart tights because fashion. I don't know, this outfit was a mess, but that's part of the fun, I guess. I wore this straw hat and some cherry earrings because, once again, farmer, I guess. I feel like I nailed it with the farmer aspect, not so much with the fashion. The last one was Fairy Spirit, and I decided to go fully literal with the spirit part by dressing in all white. I wore this short petticoat, spotted tights, and mesh shirt, this triangle headdress thing, and I literally forgot that I had fairy wings like right in my line of sight, but whatever. I put on these platform Skechers sandals to complete the look. I like to think this is the outfit I would wear to haunt other fairies. So yeah, these were my looks. Hope you liked them, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.